cover large amount of fishing area to collect high amount of fish. And here's the different types of fishing traps. That is basket traps to target species are small fish and eels, and mostly they are used by made up of bamboo, metal frame, funnel entrance. And second is pot traps. Pot traps are used for to catch crabs and lobster. Lobster, as you know, that's like from crabs we everything know. And the features is rigid and weighted and durable. It's long-lasting. Also, it's stays for a longer time. And fish net also it is used as eels, freshwater fish, and these are wing nets like guide fish included. And lastly is fish storage, coastal fish, as you can see before. Here you can see this is basket net where it is placed in the water and gets comes used to catch the fish. And when the fish enters and it cannot move and escape. This is also a type of net. That fish can enter through the hole but cannot come out or escape. And this is the trap where crabs and lobsters are kept. Fishing nets. What's a fishing net? This is the image where you can understand various types of nets are used in oceans, sea, and ponds. And this is called gill nets. Gill nets are the type of gears that fish enters to the net, but it can't move because of their gills are trapped in the net. And here you can see the images. All the fishes caught in the and trapped in the net. And travel nets. Travel nets is here you can see travel nets is we have line. These are multiple these are multiple layers like 3 layers. First layer is suppose this. There are 3 type of layers where large, medium and small mesh. Their size differs in layer by layer. And here you can see the drip nets. Drip nets means that is placed in a line where the water passes or flows. And in the nets there are buoy or floats that is used as floating of the nets so that we can farm easily the net and fish can caught because our target is not for the bottom fish. Our target is for the medium submerged fishes to catch, and that's why we use buoy or buoys as a float. This is called drip net. And as you know, parses are the gears that